I heard that there was a secret chord that David played and it pleased the Lord. But you don't really care for music, do ya? And it goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor fall, and the major lift. The powerful king composed and hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. You saw her tied to her kitchen chair. Your faith was strong, but you needed proof. Her beauty and the moonlight overthrew ya. She tied you to her kitchen chair. She broke your throat and she cut your hand from your lips. She drew